Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
As far as CCTV concerned in Goa, what I have noticed, we are not having a culture of CCTV, which in fact the Western countries have taken much more ahead. Then I get a survey conducted. How many CCTV cameras we are having? Around 350 cameras government of Goa has put certain places like municipalities, some panchayats, some other places. But 50% and more are not working. It's no use, in fact. Neither data analysis is there, nor monitoring is there. It is being kept somewhere. Entire Goa, I found that around 500 people, they have put CCTV camera either in their shop or their residences. My question was only, I to motivate, and at least one camera should focus outside. I'm not concerned with your privacy. Please keep as much as camera in your family affairs, but one camera, if you can put outside, so maybe sometimes we should know whether the accused has passed from there.